Hello, I'm Jesse Yang. In this video, I will show you how to fix the bug. In my new web API project with the entity framework setting, when adding a new controller using new scaffolded item, I got the error. There was an error running the select code generate package restored field rolling back package changes for BookWebApi. Now, let me show you when I got this error, how to fix this error. Let's get started. Let me open my project. My project is BookWebApi. Okay. I already manually added the state, the module, state module entity, state entity in here. So this already make some migration. Okay, here. So migration code is add state module. Okay, here. So I want to create a new controller from here. I just right-click controller, click add, click new scaffolded item. Then I select the API, select the API controller with action using EntityFramework from here. And then I select the module class. The module class is states. Okay. The module, the controller name is state controller. Click add. See, I got it. The same error. There was an error running the select code generate. The package restored failed. Rolling back the package change for BookWebApi. Okay. I do some search, before I found some video show me differences. They want change the package, solve this issue, but they don't know which package has some problem. Okay, so let me show you the package from the dependency. We have package. Okay. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 package. Okay. So actually, I test upgrade the package, each package, upgrade each package to different version. Like here, I upgrade to. Okay, let me show you. Upgrade. I click upgrade, I can get the whole upgrade, right? Upgrade. So I try upgrade like this one to 705 here, right? I test each package, upgrade to the newer version. But I don't know which is package caused the problem, right? So finally, after test, I found just the Microsoft Entity Framework Core Design package. This package version caused the problem. This version caused the problem. Okay, only this version. So after, let me upgrade this version. Okay, let me design, right, up there, version 2.15, update. Okay, this already updated, right? Let me rebuild my project. Okay, success. Let me try add the controller again. API. No, state. Okay, then click. Okay, this work fine, right? Work fine. We can check. This is a new one. Today I created. Okay, state control. It works. So after that, I ask the like ChatGPT to compare the version different version 7.0.14 and 7.0.15 this version, but it seems their search didn't find any error. You can see Microsoft EntityFramework Core Designer is an Architect package used to design time task in EntityFramework Core, a popular object relational map for .NET. This task often involved generating code that interact with your database schema, such as create the migration file to track the changes to your database schema over time, building the DB context classes, which act as the bridge between your code and the database. Okay, they just compare different versions. This version is released in September 2023. Stable, widely used in the production environment. No critical issue as of the day. Yesterday, I did some search. Okay, this is 7.0.15 released in October 2003. Only 1 month later, right? New version potential contain bug fix or implementation improvements. However, it's also possible that a new unknown issue might be introduced. Therefore, choosing the right version depends on your specific needs for stability and non-capability. Using version 7.0.14 is a safe choice for most scenarios. For potential newer version feature or bug fix, consider version 7.0.15. However, beware of any potential capability issue or unknown bugs. Okay, so in the ChatGPT search, but they cannot get some conclusion. There are some bug in this version, 7.0.14 version. But I found that this version has some problem. After I change it to different version, the bug automatically fixed. Okay. So that's all for my today video. I hope this can help you. Thank you. Bye-bye.